Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do a first impressions review and wear test of the newest product of Maybelline, which is the Sensational Liquid Matte Lip Tint. Without further ado, let's hop right into the video. So it says here on the box, Liquid Matte Lip Tint. So I got the shade 03, Flush It Red. So I only got one shade because some shades that I like was sold out. So it says non-sticky, non-drying, and easy to apply. So their tagline is intense yet weightless, soft matte, feels so light like you're not wearing any lipstick. So I thought it's a lip tint. I got this at Watson's for 219 pesos. This is what the packaging looks like. And it has a plastic. I'm going to get it. And it has a shade name at the bottom part and the shade number. And when you open it, this is what the applicator looks like. It's a doe foot applicator. It smells like a cherry. So wait, I'm just going to remove my lipstick. So I'm just going to swatch it first. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to try it when it's blended. So now we are going to try it on my lips, and I'm going to zoom you in. So first I'm just going to put in the inner part. Ang bilis niyang mag-set. So, you have to work on it fast because it dries very quick. Madali siyang mag-set. So, this is what it looks like on my lips when blended. So, I'm going to try the full lips. So this is what it looks like on my lips when applied. 2 swipes yung sa baba and 1 swipe on top. Opaque naman siya. This is what it looks like. Parang confused ako sa sinasabi nilang lip tint. Parang powdery matte siya. And then the formula when it dries out, it's like the BLK Liquid Lipstick. This is my BLK, also in a shade red. The shade name is Brazen. I'm going to swatch it. But when it dries, parang ano siya, powdery matte siya, not unlike other liquid lipsticks. Ako personally, I really like the formula of the BLK because super matte siya when it dries. So I really like it. Now we are going to try it on the cheek. 2 dots first. Wait. Patungan natin ng powder. So this is what it looks like on my cheeks. Parang nagpipink siya because it has a cooler shade of red. That's why I picked this shade. As you can see, it was just 1 dot. It blends okay naman. It blends well. Pero you just have to be fast to blend because it dries out very quick. So this is what it looks like on my lips and on my cheeks. I'm going to zoom you in. So it's already 3 PM and I'm going to update you guys later kasi may pupuntahan ako and we are going to wear test this lip tint. Hey guys, so let's check in. It's already 4:22. Already 4:22 and this is what my lips looks like. Already ate my late lunch. Okay pa naman siya. Still looks fine. And, wala. 1.5 hours pa lang naman yung nakalipas. And I'm going to check in later again to update you. Hey guys, so it's time for my final verdict. And it's currently 9:46 p.m. and I just got home. I haven't retouched kahit once. So this is what it looks like. And as you can see, yung inner part lang yung nag-fade. Hindi naman siya masyadong halata, diba? In person, it looks really fine. Parang okay lang, walang nangyari, konti lang, ganun. Sa camera, I think, diba? Okay naman siya. So, for my final thoughts, I have list of criterias na pagbabasihan ko if I liked it or not. For the packaging, it's 7 out of 10 for me. Pero nothing special, so I made it 7. And the price point, 8 over 10. For 219 pesos, get a 7 ml worth of product, it's okay na. Kasi I have the Nichido one. This one, it's 9 ml and retails 220 as well. Pero, syempre, ito local, ito international. Not bad, right? For an international brand. And for the formula, it's a 7 out of 10 for me. The formula, I was a bit confused with the Liptint for a liquid lipstick. The formula is good. I mean, kita nyo naman, I haven't retouched whole day since 2 p.m. Mga 8 hours. Tapos dami ko nang kinain, nag-dinner na ako. Tapos nag-milk tea na ako, nag-dessert. But, yung cheeks ko pala nandun pa. Slight. Meron pang natitirang blush. Yes, the formula is 7 out of 10 for me. Kasi medyo mahirap din siyang i-blend on the cheeks. And I really thought it's a velvet tint. So, and then, longevity is 8 out of 10. Considering it's a red lipstick. Kasi pag dark lipstick yung ginagamit mo, mas madali siyang mag-fade. I mean, mas nakikita siya na mag-fade. So, for 6 hours and I've eaten a lot. Dinner, cake, milk tea. Okay na okay yung performance niya. So, longevity. So, shade range, 6.5 out of 10. Out of 10 shades, I just like 2 shades ata. Pero yung ibang shade, not much. Unlike the other super stain nila, dami ko talagang shade na nagustuhan. Almost 80 to 90% yung nagustuhan kong shades sa liquid lipstick line. Overall, would I repurchase this? Probably yes. For 219 pesos and then you get this kind of performance. Gustuhan ko talaga yung longevity niya. So, yes. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you on my next one.